How you feeling, Bucky, huh? Yeah, you're sick, aren't you? You're sick. You're a sick Bucky. Yeah, you're tired. You're just tired and sick. You got a cold. Yeah. You've been busy all day. Chuck E. Cheese and on the playground and trying to do all that and sick. It was just too much. Yeah, it was too much. Yeah. Yeah. Too much. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. The magic socks. They always make things better. What are you going to watch here? You're going to watch a little Elmo? You're going to watch a little Elmo?
There's the DVD.
What are you going to get her, Mama? Elmo when she's sick. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh, Annabelle. Hey, I hope you get to feeling better, Bucky. I hope you get to feeling better. I don't like it when you're sick. I don't like it when you're sick, Bucky. Uh-huh. No, she's not feeling good.
I'm gonna bring her some warm milk.
Bring her some more milk, Mommy. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Sickly Smurf. I love you. I know.